building or renovating your home. Choosing the right windows goes beyond appearance. It's about performance, climate conditions, and how you use the space. Let's break down the options to help you choose the right window for each space. Sliding windows open side to side, making them budget-friendly and space-saving. With up to 50% airflow, the brush seals aren't as tight, so performance is more basic. Great fit for laundries or kitchens, where top-tier performance isn't required. Casement windows open outward for maximum airflow and offer excellent insulation, waterproofing, and soundproofing. In strong winds, the open sash may be affected and slightly block the view, ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or spaces needing high air and water tightness. Awning windows are known for their excellent sealing, keeping rain out even when slightly open. The small opening adds extra security, though airflow is more limited. Ideal for bathrooms, hallways, or spaces that need gentle, continuous ventilation during rainy season. Double-hung windows slide up and down, saving space and allowing easy indoor cleaning. You can open both sashes for better airflow, but the complex structure means more maintenance over time. Ideal for tall, narrow openings and heritage or classic-style homes. Glass louver windows offer sleek style and flexible control. You can adjust the slats to fine-tune airflow and sunlight, creating just the right atmosphere. The gaps mean more dust and weaker insulation, so they suit warm, stable temperatures. Perfect for living rooms or kitchens where you want privacy with natural light. Fixed windows are all about the view. Their frameless design gives you unobstructed sight lines, and their solid structure offers the best insulation of any window type. They don't open at all, so you'll need mechanical ventilation nearby. Perfect for living rooms, balconies, or picture windows, where you want to flood the space with natural light. So, whether you need affordability, weather resistance, or unbeatable views, there's a window that fits your needs. Consider your climate, space, and lifestyle, and you'll find the perfect match for your home.